Guys, I am going to a wedding, so this makeup needs to last me all day, all night, so we're going to do a get ready with me. Let's go! Just going in with my Core Delete Radiance Serum. I love this so much before makeup, it's so glowy. Using my Nivea Q10 eye cream. This is so good for making your eyes look really awake. I'm just rubbing in my Inky Listen Bright Moisturiser. You know I'm going to be sticking my brows down with the Pink Honey Super Hold because it just lasts so well. Them babies are not going anywhere. Just filling in my brows with the Revolution Pro pencil. It's my favourite one ever. Then I've just set my crease and now I'm just taking my bronzer through the outer corner of my crease. Adding a bit of a deeper brown in the same places we just popped the bronzer. Then with this really deep brown, I'm just adding a baby wing. Just setting white on my inner corner. Now I'm just rubbing in the YSL Blur Primer anywhere that I've got a texture that I want to hide. I've mixed Dior Backstage Foundation and Maybelline Super Stay. I love this combo at the moment, it's amazing. Beauty Crop We Cherie Spray. And just cream bronzing with the Pink Honey Bronze Face Frosting in Fudge Glaze. I know this lasts all day, so whoop. Cream blushing with NARS Orgasm. Love this so much, and of course we are bathing in it. I'm going to mix a Lancome concealer and ELF Camo Conceal, but the hydrating one. Now just setting my under eyes on a powder puff with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Snatching the nose so it's skinny. I am now, of course, setting with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. Anywhere I've got texture, you literally wipe it on. It disappears. It's amazing and it lasts all day. I'm now just very softly bronzing with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. That was a mouthful. For blush, I'm mixing the Beauty Crop Cocoa Rose Palette and Milani Luminoso on a Peaches PC03 brush. It's the best blush brush. It just disperses the product perfectly. Just set the face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm just bathing in my Beauty Crop Glow Milk everywhere. Look at that. It just adds this skin and just freshness back into your makeup. It is stunning. Extra, I know, but I've got these 3 lip liners on the lips and I'm going to apply the gloss once I've got ready. It's the Iconic Plumping Gloss. I'm going to take this curl out. Ooh, love. And this is the finished look. Do you want to see my dress? I'm going to show you. Ignore all my flyaways. I need to put hairspray on. And here we are. Woo!